Hello and welcome to another video of computers and stuff. Today I have this NuTone remote doorbell system. Oh, it's more of an intercom system. There's like the model on the back there, and I got it from Goodwill for $2, and their stickers never come off. Oh, this one actually did come off. So basically you would use this as an intercom. There's no microphone, there's just a speaker, a few buttons, there's just volume, private on and off, inside patio talk, door talk, and call. So I have a Bogan amplifier here, so we can test the speaker out. And I'll also give you information on the terminals and what they do. So I plugged in an MP3, and it does work. And so, you know, you got your volume here. You also control the volume on whatever amplifier you have. Also, I did notice if you turn it down, and if you hit like the patio talk or whatever that, or the door talk, it'll turn up the volume. Also, if you hit end call, it will turn it up just a little bit. So that's kind of interesting. Another thing you can do with this is use the buttons. I was trying to figure out how these work. I was doing tracing all the little paths. So I got out my voltmeter and I decided to test them out. I'm on the black and the orange screw, and I'm pressing this button. That conducts, and now I'm going to press this button. I'm going to press the last one there, I believe is end call. Oh wait, right here. And nothing, and private also does nothing. Black slash white, red on black slash white, and black on orange slash white. And I'm now going to hit this one. I'm now going to hit this one. And I'm going to hit the end call. And I am going to try private. And private doesn't do anything for any of the pins. And now to quickly go over this. The red needs to be on here because there are two diodes, so positive needs to be going through here. So positive current needs to go through here and comes out here. So positive and then negative. And this will pick up for the two call buttons, and then this one will also pick up, but it has very high resistance, so I would just do the end call button for these two. These two are the speaker cable, so I can connect an amp to this and turn it up and down. And so then these two control a relay. There's a relay on the board that will switch it from like a normal mode to if you get called mode. So that's when there is power here, and you have to make sure you get the right ones because they put a diode in here, and if you put them incorrect, if you put them upside down or something like that, then it'll short out your adapter or battery or whatever you're using to power it. It's a 12 volt. Red is positive, and red slash white is negative, otherwise your power supply will short out. And then it will power this relay. The relay will switch automatically to high volume, speaker to high volume, just like this. And then it will also cut off the call buttons and the end call buttons, so those won't work anymore. So that's really all the pins do. And if you have one of these and you don't have if you don't have like a master unit or master system, whatever it is, to connect these NuTone specialized like current things to, you can just use what I said and just do the different screws. Also, if you wanna like know what the pins have on like a diagram or something, if that video didn't help you, I'll have a link in the description to a diagram that has all what the buttons do, what the pins do, if you want to wire this yourself. And I can't find anywhere online how to make this work without a main unit. So subscribe if you like this content. I'll have more electronic content coming in the future.